am so excited that the copies of my new Resilience Journal just came in, my author copies, and I'd like to just share it with you and show you what this journal looks like and what it can do for you. So this is the very first edition. It's the Lotus edition of the Resilience Journal, and there are more designs to come. So that's something to look forward to, at least for me to look forward to. I don't know about you, but let's go ahead and look inside and see what this Resilience Journal looks like. So here is the beginning where you can put your name and the month and the year, because each journal is good for an entire month. It has 31 days in the journal. And now here you have an example of how you can use this journal. There is a to-do list section and a special events to remember and an appointment section where you can record your appointments. There's an affirmation section at the very top. At the bottom, there's a gratitude list. And then at the very bottom, you can record the progress of your goals. And then, of course, on the corresponding right side of every single day, there's a section to record your journaling or your diary or whatever you'd like to use this page to record. As I mentioned, there's a section to record the progress of your goals. So here at the very beginning of the month, you record 3 goals for the month. And I purposefully only listed 3 goals because I think sometimes we can set ourselves up to be overwhelmed if we try to accomplish too many goals at one time. Now this is a blank page, a fresh page, and you can record the date, circle the day of the week. There's a variety of different colored lotus flowers on each page, seven different versions of colorful lotus flowers, and then there's the black and white lotus flower down there at the bottom of the journal note. There is another colorful lotus flower, and I'll show you close-up section of the date, the affirmation, the to-do list, special events, appointments, gratitude list, one thing I did today toward achieving my goals, and then, of course, today's journal notes. One more of the colorful lotus flower examples. So I have already started using mine, and I just created a new version that's called a retro edition that is going to be launching in the next few days, which is more gender neutral. So be on the lookout for that if this is something that you're interested in. And there's a link, of course, in the bio or in the description, depending upon where you are watching this video. Thanks so much for watching.